Why is AI causing layoffs for the second month in a row? In 2026, businesses are racing to adopt AI technologies faster than ever. Many routine and repetitive jobs are now automated, allowing companies to operate with fewer employees. This swift integration means layoffs continue as AI systems handle tasks like data entry, customer support, and even complex analysis, reducing the need for human workers in those roles. The rise of AI is not just about automation. It's also about changing what employers need from their workers. Jobs increasingly demand AI literacy, programming skills, and data analysis capabilities. Workers who don't have these new skills find themselves vulnerable. Without widespread retraining programs, many face layoffs as companies prioritize employees with AI-relevant expertise. Economic challenges in 2026, including inflation and supply chain issues, pressure companies to streamline operations. AI offers a way to reduce overhead by automating tasks and improving productivity. Layoffs become a cost-saving measure as businesses pivot to AI-driven models to stay competitive in a tough market. AI does create new opportunities, but these roles often require advanced skills and take time to develop. Meanwhile, the immediate effect is a wave of layoffs as traditional jobs disappear faster than new AI-related positions are created. This gap causes short-term job insecurity for many workers during this technological transition. The layoffs signal a major workforce evolution. To thrive in this AI-driven future, workers and companies must embrace continuous learning and skill development. Those who adapt will find new and often better job opportunities. This ongoing change challenges how we think about work and career paths in the coming decades. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.